Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to allow reposting for your posts and reels on Instagram using your PC. This is part of a newer update, and it gives you more control over how your content can be shared by others. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there, which is your main menu. Click on that to open up more options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to your account's main control panel where you can adjust different features and preferences. Next, inside the Settings menu, find and click on Sharing and Reuse. This section is where Instagram lets you manage how your content can be used by others, including reposting options. Now you'll see an option labeled something like Allow Reposts on Posts and Reels. All you need to do here is toggle this option on. Once it's enabled, other users will be able to repost your content